game apostle. Remember my shit, the ending will fit in 2076. I'm always getting foiled by these meddling kids. Are you ever gonna do me even better than this? Good luck with that, I wish you all the best. What's that, more respect, I'll put it here with all the rest. Meanwhile, I'm living in a daydream. Apparently I'm living in a daydream. I picked apart the seams with the subtle knife. Streams of a troubled life, dreams of another time. Crying in the trees and the screams of a butterfly. Shots on the breeze of a lullaby. Another shot until the feelings are nullified. Set sail, we can sleep in the southern sky. Meanwhile, I'm living in a daydream. Apparently I'm living in a daydream.